until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Anderson, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. A second severe thunderstorm was just northwest of Yorktown, also moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Albany, Yorktown, Chesterfield, Eaton, Daleville, Selma, Prairie Creek Reservoir, and Ball State University. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 226 and 242. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright guys, if you're here to like this channel, leave your comments down below, subscribe. See you guys next time. To the next video.